Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by opening the sheet you need to inspect. Click File, then Version History, and choose See Version History. That immediately loads the timeline at right. Once done, scan the list of timestamps. Google groups edits by user and time. Make sure to expand collapsed versions to reveal detailed change sets. You can also use the keyboard shortcut for speed. This step gets you into the audit view so you can identify which change block to examine next. Now you narrow down to the exact edit. Click any timestamp to preview the whole sheet at that moment. Colored highlights show which cells changed and who changed them. Once selected, review formulas, values, and comments to understand cause and effect. If you need that state back, use Restore or name the version for documentation. Alternatively, copy that version to a new sheet to extract data without changing live content. This approach preserves history. Finish by choosing the action. Restore the version to revert changes, copy it to a new file, or name it for records. Before restoring, make a quick backup so you can return if needed. If you don't see expected history, verify you're signed into the correct account and that the sheet wasn't converted from Excel without history. Also check whether the file was created after a long export-import sequence. If problems persist, ask collaborators for context and use the activity dashboard to cross-check access events.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.